Good afternoon, everyone. Here is Mother Nature Obomoto One. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. My today's topic is about signs and symptoms. What spiritual gifted people attached to. I don't fit tell you now for my last videos, say spiritual gifted people not only they attract positive energy or positive spirits or good spirit, they see they attach to bad energies and bad spirits. Today I want to speak about how una go take know the sign and the symptoms wey person fit take know. Like one, they fit get this uncontrollable anger if they dey around negative people, because they quick dey absorb the negative energy from people. It be like magnet. If person wey dey near them get negative thoughts, negative thinking or negative spirit, automatically e go be like say e dey magnet them. So most of their reactions na very strong anger, most of the time uncontrollable anger. The best thing for this person wey dey spiritual gifted to do is to leave that place and go cleanse himself. Una know say I don still first speak about na how person fit take cleanse himself. To use soap, to use water and salt, pray put, take bath, use insect, take waka around the houses. I spoke to about this for some of my other videos wey I don do. These bad spirits wey dey come, they try to dey put bad thought, bad thinking inside person head. Some of these spiritual gifted people, they always dey get negative thoughts. E fit come maybe the whole day or for few minutes or seconds, especially if they get wetin something wey dey bother them for mind. Na so e still be for everybody. The devil can only get power over you when they know your weakening point, wetin una dey fear for inside una. If una dey fear say make una, maybe una dey fear for job, una dey fear for family, say make something no happen to una family, all those kind of a thing, they will come dey put bad thoughts inside the person mind, make e dey fear more. Because through that fear wey the person wan dey fear, na im dey take dey feed, na then na im their power dey. Some of the spiritual gifted people also, they still dey depressive. They get depression. Sometimes they feel like crying. They no know how the thing take dey do them. Sometimes, especially if those bad spirits enter them or attach to them, get contact to them, most of them dey think about suicide. Wetin dey their head na make dem kill themselves or make dem kill somebody. E still dey like that inside their mind. Na wetin the bad spirit, all those negative energies, dey do to spiritual gifted people. Wetin dey very important is for the person to know himself. For the person to know which thinking im dey think, na im own main thinking or na from them. If the person no dey strong, e go overtake their own way, the way wey dem want make e dey think, e go take am. But if the person know himself, know say, this thing wey I dey think now, this one no be my own thinking, na be this. I can never ever think to kill myself. What about my family? What about my children? What about my loved ones? How will I be thinking such thinking? Na so you go take dey catch them, because sometimes they try to manipulate the senses of spiritual gifted people. They try thing by thing to dey manipulate them. They try to enter inside their thinking, inside their mind. They try to put them under control, make they take control over them. So that is why it's very important for the person to know who him be and which thinking in dey think, whether na im own thinking or na the thinking wey they want make him think. Because these spirits, they try to take over everything, over the mind, over the thought, over the fear wey the person dey fear. If they fear to fail, if they fear say e no go dey successful, or if they fear say if you go do this thing, the thing no go work out, na all those things na dey fix on, na dey go on top to dey make sure say that part dey strong, make person no overcome that part. Very important thing to do in that moment is to call on your guardian angels, to call on your gods, whatever you believe on, to call on your ancestors, to call on the gods, anyone wey person take believe on. If you believe on Jesus, if you believe on God, if you believe on gods, if you believe on angels, pray, call on them, speak it out with them. Let them to know that this thing you are thinking, you don't understand. Let them help you so that you will not have contact to this bad negative energy or bad spirit. Let them help you to take control over it. Let the bad spirit don't take over your thoughts. Let them don't take over your mind, because it is very dangerous. Before person go dey think and say make him kill himself or make him harm another person. And the thing be say, na through all these negative thoughts, na im dey take dey feed, na im dey get power more. Some of these spiritual gifted people too, they get panic attacks. They get panic attacks. Some of them, they go so fast, they get like chest pain. Like say person use needle till they choke inside the chest, so chest go dey cut you. Some they get heart attack. They do thing by thing, make they attack the person, make the person dey sick. They like to bring sickness inside person body. And wetin they see they do, they see they jump from one person to the another. No be only say that they come direct. Sometimes they go enter inside another person just to bring that anger in you out, just to bring that fear in you out. Even children, some even they enter children. Yes, little kids, some dey enter inside them because they know say the children are still innocent, the children are still pure. Some dey enter through two children. You go see sometimes the small pikin go start to dey do character wey person no understand. You go come get the way wey the pikin dey do. It's only to pray and cleanse. That is why I dey tell una say e dey very very important to cleanse yourself, to take spiritual bath, to clean your family, to pray over through your children, everything, because they fit enter small pikin through that thing wey that pikin dey do. E go come dey bring the anger for the parents come out. If na the mama or the papa be spiritual gifted person, e fit be say that moment the thing go just enter click inside the head. Na negative thought na go just enter inside the head. You no go get any positive feeling again toward that small child, not knowing that that small child is only be like toy. E be like the baby wey they use their instruments till they feed. E be like the baby wey they control. Now that one nine day hard. That is why you have to call on your ancestors. You have to call out, pray out, speak your thoughts out to your guardian angels, to whatever you believe on, to God. If na Jesus, anyone wey person believe on, you go call am, pray to am, speak with am. This thing I don't understand. This is how I'm thinking. This is not my own clear thoughts, because I know my own clear thoughts will not be like this. Some still dey give paranoia. If they make some of the spiritual gifted people, they will get paranoia, because already they feel the spirits around them. They feel the energies around them. So sometimes they go like to sneak enter inside their head, make it be like say they mad. Who see them go say them they craze, they hear things, they see things where no way another person know they see. By them doing all those things, they switch. The time where you no expect, they go just switch enter inside the person mind. Once they switch enter inside the person mind, the person go begin to hear things, the person go begin to see things, and if you be saying at the wrong time where the person dey, because sometimes you can't control your visions. Visions come, it be like film. It be like say they press camera, they want take picture, you go just come, be like film. Some they flash, some they flash, they pass eye for short while. Na so vision they do. Sometimes they not say they come like that, they go sneak enter inside the person mind. You go come they see or they hear things where other people know they see. Other people go come they look the person, say the person they mad. Now see all this negative bad spirit. Now then they do all these things. That is why it is important to pray, to contact your ancestors, to connect with whatever you believe on, to connect with your higher self. Very, very important. And why did they do all these things? It is very simple. They teach spiritual gifted people lesson. Through these lessons, where person they see, now you go tell they know the difference between the good spirit and the bad spirit. Through them doing all these things, you will know when the bad spirit show up. You go know say that the bad one come. If the good one show up, you go know say that the good one come. Because if they just do it like that openly, now only good, you go they see. But as good day, now so bad day, men I not forget say we are good day, now dead, now bad still day. So it is very important to differentiate all these things, to differentiate the good spirit and the bad spirit. That is why most of the spiritual gifted people, they have to pass through this process of all these negative parts. That is why at the end of the day, you have to cleanse yourself, not only for spiritual gifted people. Before una comot for house, make una dey pray. Make una dey pray before una comot for house. Make una pray for una household, no be only for una self. Make una still pray for the good spirit. Make they guide una, make they dey near una. Una ancestors, make they guide una, they protect una in all una doings. Make una put everything for their hand. If na God, put everything in God's hand. Pray for your family. Once una comot for house, una come back house, make una still pray. Make una do bad, spiritual bed. Make una baff una self, baff una children, baff una family. Make una use insect, take pass through una house. Wipe away and drive away the bad spirit. Tell them they are not welcome into your life. They have nothing to find into your life and your family life. Tell them there is nothing to find. You have nothing to give them, and you have nothing to share with them. And welcome the good spirit into una life. Na only this way now una fit overcome any spiritual, any bad thoughts, any bad spirit wey dey try to attach to una. And anytime wey una dey outside, wey una see am say maybe some people men dey talk some kind of things, una spirit no carry am, immediately abeg make una leave the place, because that bad spirit, that bad energy fit attach, fit go and put for una body. Una come carry am at the end of the day come house to una family. That is why it is necessary to pray. Once you leave your home, you pray before you leave home. When you come back home, you pray when you come back home. Thank the universe for everything. Whether na hustle, you go hustle. Whether na €2, €3, now you see thank them. Because you get people wey dey in a whole day or in a whole week, they no see anything bring come house. So make una dey pray, make una dey cast out the bad spirit, the evil spirit, dey comot. So that is all I have to say for my today's topic. I thank you all for watching. Doggy, I thank you all for watching and listening to me. Miss Santa, I thank you. Miss Jenny, thank you for switching on. Thank you very much. Have a nice week. Have a nice Sunday. Wherever una dey, may na come home safely. Thank you and goodbye.